Check out that. This is from Small Cheval. Look at the fancy bag. Howdy, y'all. So welcome back to a taste testing with Griddle porn. I'm at Small Cheval, the newly opened fancy schmancy burger joint in Rosemont, California. Look how fancy their bottled water is. It's a tin can, and it tells you it's fancier and better than your bottled water. Ooh. So it's brand new. They've got lots of shakes and boozy shakes, which I'll come back for a boozy shake with Kahlua or amaretto, or not tequila. Tequila makes my clothes fall off. Yeah, I just don't like tequila. Anyway, they're wrapping their burgers inside out. Anyway, that's just a picky thing. It's a pretty burger, isn't it? Didn't get fries. This cost me, this and the overpriced water was 16 bucks, so that's plenty for a hamburger. I mean, if I added fries, I'd be up in Five Guys territory, and it ain't nobody can afford that. So, I believe you pay extra for like lettuce, or no, you have to ask for lettuce. You may pay extra for lettuce, tomatoes, all that stuff you normally find. This has Dijonnaise. I love Dijonnaise. I can't find it anymore. Pickles and something else. Anyway. It's a good burger. Can't remember if they charge extra or you have to ask for it anyway, for the normal burger toppings. It's a good bun, toasted, nice and melty cheddar cheese. Pickles, there's pickles. That's a thumbs up. So they got the burgers, they got the chicken sandwiches, they've got overpriced bottled water. I'm near O'Hare, so you hear a jet going over, or maybe you don't. I don't know what you can hear. Anyway, what else do they have? Booze, shakes, ice cream cones, fries, and that's basically their whole menu. It's worth coming back for. It's expensive. $2.99 is not bad for a burger, especially around here. A quality burger. I mean, Burger King's almost charging that much these days. McDonald's is almost that much for a Big Mac. But by the time you add the bottled water, and it's over 16 bucks. Yeah. Anyway, that's my rant about the economy and prices and taxes and add-ons and overpriced water. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time with some more taste testing. Bye!